Hello children, hope you all are fine. This is grade 3 science class. Now today let us do the next subtopic S4 uses of air. From block 17 we need air. Children, in the previous classes we have learned air is everywhere and air occupies space. Air is needed for burning. Now today let us learn what are the different uses of air. So we know that air helps us for breathing. Air is needed for all the living things for breathing. But air also can be used to make electricity. So how it is possible? It is possible through the windmills. So what are these windmills? I'll show you with an example, children. So this is just like a windmill. I'm showing an example, children. Windmills will have a long iron rods which is fixed on the earth's surface, and it will have a blades like a fan which rotates with the help of air. Can you see how it is rotating? The blades of this windmill. It is rotating with the help of when I'm blowing the air. So when it is rotating, the turbines which is fixed to the windmills, they get charged. Due to the turbines, we can produce electricity. So the clear pictures of windmill you can see in your readers, children. So this is an example of windmill I am showing. Through this, we can produce electricity. So this is one of the use of air which helps to produce electricity. So what is the first use? Air helps us for breathing and air helps us to produce electricity. And what are the other uses of air? The other uses of air? Air also helps us to make sound. So how it helps us to make sound? So this is a flute. It will have holes. When you blow it, from these holes, when air is passed from this flute, from these holes, it produces different types of sounds. So air also helps us to produce sound. And air is also helping to produce sound. So what are the other use of air? Air helping for breathing. The use of air. Air helps us for breathing and air helps us to produce electricity. Air helps us to make sounds. And you can see your mother, after washing the clothes, she will dry the clothes in the hot sun. And also sometimes when it is windy day, you can see your mother putting the clothes under the fan. So when the fan moves, you can feel the air. Due to that air, we can dry up the clothes. That means air also helps us to dry clothes. And you can see that to move the sailing boats, even the boats in the ocean seas, you can see the boats will sail with the help of wind, with the help of air. And one more use, we can fly parachutes and we can fill the balloons, and we can fly the kites and balloons. To fill the tires and balloons, the other use of air is filling up the balloons and filling up the tires. And one more use, with the help of air, we can fly the kites and we can fly the parachutes. So these are the different uses of air, children. Air helps us for breathing, air helps us to produce electricity, and air helps us to make sounds. Air helps us to dry the clothes. Air helps us to sail boats, filling up the balloons and tires, and to fly the balloons, kites and parachutes. If there is any other uses, you can collect and you can write this word web in your classwork in the plain side, children. Okay. Now let us see the windmills pictures and learn from the reader, children. Children, look at the pictures of windmills. These are the windmills, a long iron rods and which have blades like a fan that helps with the help of air, which is fixed in an open space area. These are the windmills. Now you can see the other examples, which helps to make sound and which helps to dry the clothes, which helps to sail boats and which helps to fill the tires. So you have seen different examples from the reader, children, and you have seen the clear picture of windmills also. Now air is only useful to us? No, air is also useful to even the other living things like plants and animals. For the animals, it helps for the animals for breathing purpose, and even for the plants also air is useful. How it is useful? Even plants are breathing. So for the breathing purpose and also for the plants, it is also helping for the photosynthesis process. So for the photosynthesis process, it needs air, water and sunlight. So air is needed for the preparation of food for the plant in photosynthesis process. Now, children, tell me children, which use of air is more important? We cannot say, because each use of air is more important in the particular purpose. So air is important for breathing. Air is important to produce electricity, because we should have electricity in our homes. So that help us to light the bulbs. That help us in many ways. So in each use of air is very, very important. We cannot say this use is important and that use is not important. So each use of air is very important. Now open your readers, children. Children, open your reader, page number 108. Uses of air. We use air for many purposes. We breathe air, and other uses of air are as follows. Air is used to make sound. Air is used to dry clothes, and air is used to fill tires and balloons. Air is used to move sailboats, and air is used for burning. You can see the pictures also here. Air is used to make sound, to dry clothes, to move sailboats, and to fill the tires. Air moves the blades of the windmill, which in turn produces electricity. Here you can see the windmills. These are the windmills, which are long iron rods, which have blades like a fan, which rotates with the help of air. So when they are moving, we can produce electricity. Children, you have to learn this also. There is no air on the moon, and learn glossary space, a place taken up by a thing. Now today you are going to complete practice questions 7th and 8th. Why do plants need air? So we have learned why do plants need air, children? For breathing and to prepare food in a photosynthesis process. Now 8th one, in which jar candle will burn for a longer time? Why do you think so? Here they have given 2 jars. So in one jar you can see 1 candle. In second jar you can see 2 candles. So when the jar with 1 candle, it can burn for a longer time, because the amount of air will be more, and the amount of air, the 2 candles when they use up, it can put off very quickly. So the candle A will burn for a long time, and you have to explain why do you think so. Now take out your workbook. Take out your workbook, page number 8 in volume 3, uses of air. Write today's date. What is the air being used for the pictures below? Here air is used to make sound. By looking at the picture, you have to identify how air is used in that picture. So here air is used to move or sail boats, and here windmills, air moves the blades of the windmill, which in turn produces electricity. And here air is used to fill tires and balloons. Now see the second question. Why do animals need air? Animals need air to breathe. So complete your worksheet, children.